What if I told you that adding just one ingredient to your diet could reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and even protect your heart? Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a 4,000-year-old secret to better health. But what does modern science say? According to a 2022 study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and disease-fighting properties. In this video, we'll uncover 7 science-backed benefits of turmeric and how it can transform your health. Stick around until the end. The final benefit might surprise you. 1. Natural anti-inflammatory power. Inflammation is your body's defense mechanism, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown in studies from the Journal of Clinical Immunology to reduce inflammation at the molecular level. Some studies even suggest that curcumin can be as effective as certain anti-inflammatory drugs without the negative side effects. How turmeric helps: manages pain, reduces swelling, improves joint health. However, curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed by the body. Pairing it with black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000%, making it far more effective. 2. A powerful antioxidant. Oxidative stress damages cells, accelerates aging, and increases disease risk. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and protect your body. A 2021 study in the Journal of Biochemistry found that curcumin not only acts as an antioxidant, but also boosts the body's natural defense system, a double win for your health. Benefits: protects against premature aging, reduces cell damage, lowers the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Supports heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but turmeric can help in several ways. Improves blood vessel function, better circulation and blood pressure, lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, reduces inflammation in the arteries. A 2023 study in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin improves endothelial function, helping prevent arterial blockages. If you want to protect your heart naturally, adding turmeric to your diet is a smart choice. 4. Boosts brain function and reduces risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Can turmeric keep your brain sharp as you age? Science says yes. Curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a critical growth hormone for brain function. Low levels of BDNF are linked to Alzheimer's, depression, and memory decline. A Journal of Psychopharmacology study found that individuals who consumed curcumin regularly had improved memory, sharper focus, and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. If you want to protect your brain and stay mentally sharp, turmeric is a great addition to your routine. 5. A natural remedy for joint pain and arthritis. If you suffer from joint pain, turmeric may be a natural alternative to painkillers. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and stiffness, providing relief for arthritis sufferers. A 2020 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy found that curcumin was just as effective as common arthritis medications, without harmful side effects. Benefits: reduces joint pain, improves mobility, supports long-term joint health. Adding turmeric to your daily routine may provide long-term relief from discomfort. 6. Strengthens the immune system. Turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties, making it a powerful immune booster. A 2022 study in the Journal of Immunology found that curcumin enhances immune response by increasing the activity of immune cells. What this means for you: faster recovery from colds and infections, stronger immune defense, natural protection against illnesses. For an easy immunity boost, try drinking turmeric tea or mixing turmeric with warm milk. 7. Supports digestion and aids in weight management. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to support digestion, and modern science confirms its benefits. Stimulates bile production, improves digestion, reduces bloating and gas, promotes a balanced gut microbiome. But that's not all. A Journal of Metabolism study found that curcumin enhances fat metabolism and reduces fat accumulation, making it a natural aid for weight management. If you're looking to improve digestion and support weight loss naturally, turmeric is an excellent choice. Now that you know turmeric's powerful benefits, here's how to add it to your routine. Turmeric tea. Boil turmeric, ginger, and black pepper for a health-boosting drink. Golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk and honey for a soothing beverage. Cooking with turmeric. Add it to soups, curries, smoothies, and eggs. Turmeric supplements. Choose curcumin supplements with black pepper extract for better absorption. For best results, always pair turmeric with black pepper to boost absorption. While turmeric is safe for most people, excessive intake may cause digestive discomfort for sensitive stomachs, increased bleeding risk for those on blood thinners, blood sugar drops for diabetics if consumed in high amounts. If you have any medical conditions, consult your doctor before taking turmeric supplements. Turmeric is more than just a kitchen spice. It's a science-backed superfood for better health. From reducing inflammation and protecting your brain to supporting heart health and boosting immunity, turmeric's benefits are truly incredible. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you already use turmeric, tell us how. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Dr. Knows and turn on notifications for more science-backed health insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.